patriotic rights, let us now proceed to Panunumpa sa Watawa to be led by the respected and dedicated Mrs. Julilyn T. Casitsi, class of 1980. To lead us in singing of Navas Elementary School hymn, may we call on Mrs. Cristal M. Tucayaw, class of 1995, our dedicated conductor.
Together with the selected graduates of Batch 2026.
Yan sa mga kawakiban. Player sa Central Hymn sa Gapahon North ng aton eskwela sa 2026.
Thank you. To formally warmly welcome everyone to this meaningful and historic celebration, may we call on the dynamic, dedicated, and respected School Principal 1 of Navas Elementary School, Mr. Alexis S. Tubang Jr. Let's give her a big round of applause.
To the President of the Navas Elementary School Alumni Association, we have Attorney Daniel D. Sajasa, CPA, of course, our very energetic Public Schools District Supervisor, Mr. Jesse S. Flores, the rest of the Navas Elementary School Alumni Association officers, to, of course, alumni of Navas Elementary School, Magingay!
Ingayon ka mo!
Mas malakas pa!
Yes!
Energy! Okay, so let us going to start our celebration today with energy, and we are very thankful. Of course, we deeply recognize that alumni is the potent partners of the school for its improvement and development. So we are very thankful that we are all gathered, not just to celebrate, but of course to give back to the school. So we are very thankful from the alumni that coming over from other places now, and so we very appreciate your gesture of generosity and of course your presence for this 3 days event. May these events will, of course, give us the so-called the spirit of camaraderie, and of course, it will be the avenue for us to network. And of course, you have that plans and connect with each other for the betterment of your association and of course of our school. So again, good morning and welcome to the 5th Grand Alumni Homecoming and the 115th founding anniversary of Navas Elementary School. Thank you very much.
And of course, thank you, sir. Indeed, this celebration stands as powerful testament to the enduring spirit, unity, and legacy of Navas Elementary School that continues to thrive through generations. And hopefully, sir, we have reserved lots of energy to sustain this meaningful event today. Do you have lots of energy with you now?
Yes!
There you go. I can hear them.
And this time, to share the words of wisdom, inspiration, and encouragement that will surely uplift our celebration. Let us now call on our respected and distinguished attorney, Juniel D. Sajasa, Alumni Association President, Class of 1990. Let's give him a big round of applause.
Good morning sa lahat from 1944 to class of 2026 or almost 60 plus participating class of Navas Elementary School. Alam ko excited na kayo lahat para mag-start ang ating caravan. But maraming salamat. First day pa lang, nakikita ko na magiging successful ang ating event. And simula pa lang kanina sa ating Thanksgiving Mass sa St. Isidore Parish Church. Nakita ko na successful kasi marami nag-attend. And now, nakikita ko rin yung mga preparation ng bawat batch para sa ating float parade. At later, and hanggang third day natin. Muli, maraming salamat and congratulations po agad sa ating lahat. Good morning.
Thank you so much, Attorney Juniel Sajasa, for sharing your wisdom and encouragement with us. We deeply appreciate your unwavering commitment and meaningful contribution to this celebration. As we eagerly prepare to the much-awaited and highly anticipated Grand Alumni Caravan and Float Competition.
And of course, Ma'am Nikki, speaking of our float competition, our board of judges for this competition are, we have Sir Jay Dalupang, Sir Jesse Garcia, and of course, we have Anthony Dwayne Estolano. And I'm pretty sure they will going to have a hard time in judging our float. As I can see, maraming magagandang float as of this time, Ma'am Nikki.
Yes, it is. So this time, we kindly ask everyone to attentively listen to the important reminders, guidelines, and safety instruction to ensure an orderly and successful event. To formally and give us general instruction and essential reminders before the caravan begins, may we call on our dedicated Miss Queen Ayan Seta, class of 1995. Let's all give her a big round of applause.
Thank you, Sir Aljun and Ma'am Lindsay. Good morning, everyone!
Good morning!
Alright, so gentle reminder as we begin with our caravan for this 115th founding anniversary and 5th Grand Alumni Homecoming of Navas Elementary School. Please take note of the following reminders for a safe and organized and enjoyable celebration. First, our route will be from here, Navas Elementary School, to Hibon and back to Poblacion, proceeding to the boundary of Pandan Antique, and then back to Navas Elementary School. Leading the caravan will be the PNP Navas, followed by the alumni floats, arranged from oldest from 1944 and to the latest from batch 2026. As we travel, let us maintain peace, discipline, and cooperation at all times. Meaning, wala pong mga
avoid throwing any objects like candies, like water bottles, or anything po na maka-distract sa ating float. We will arrange the float in order, and it is a slow-moving caravan. So, ibig sabihin, hinay po ang atong pagpadalagan. White may mga nag-overtake, white may nagpakarira, kundi follow po nato ang atong sequence from oldest to latest float. Okay? And then, all batches are requested to strictly follow the assigned order of floats, both during the departure and return. No overtaking is allowed, and all vehicles must move slowly and safely throughout the caravan. Only the contesting float, or reminder sa atong mga batches, only the contesting float will be allowed to enter the quadrangle, not all the floats. Example, kung may inyo nga 5 floats, dapat sa bilog lang ang udya masulod for judging. Hindi lahat. Kasi we will have our designated area. Kung di nakapark ang atong mga other vehicles, doon sa may stage, nandoon po natin ipapark ang ating L3, jeep, tsaka mga elf natin at tsaka mga 4x4 from batch 1960 to batch 1970. Okay po? Then, dito sa may harap, sa may National Highway, dyan po natin nalagay yung another or additional float natin, 1980s, meaning 1981 up to 1989. Okay? Kasi yung papasok lang dito, hindi lahat, isa lang na float per batch. Yung mga naila o na mag-join sa aton lang float contest. And then, batch 1990s to 2000, doon po yung ating designated area sa may Mahangin Road o Promise Road. Doon yung iba natin na mga truck ilagay. Okay? And then, reminders, dito sa ating main gate, dyan lang po papasok yung ating motorcycle, yung ating tricycle. Bawal po dyan pumasok ang truck, ang ating 4x4L, yung mga 4 wheels. Dito sa may ating main gate. Lahat po ng 4 wheels doon po sa kabilang side. Okay? Nagkaintindihan po ba tayo, batches? Doon po lahat sa second gate papasok yung mga 4 wheels. Dito po sa main gate, 2 wheels and 3 wheels lang po na vehicle. And most importantly, all batches, let us always bear in mind the safety and well-being of one another as we celebrate this memorable occasion together. Once again, enjoy, have fun, and make wonderful memories as we celebrate this 150th founding anniversary and 5th Grand Alumni Homecoming of Navas Elementary School. Thank you so much for participating, and have a safe caravan, everyone. Mabuhay! One Central!
Alright, thank you so much, Ma'am Queen, for presenting the guidelines for our float parade. And of course, we will take note of those reminders. Tama po ba?
Opo!
Of course, magiging mabait po kami while having the float parade.
Yes, with great excitement, pride, and joy, we officially declare the start of Grand Alumni Caravan Float Parade of the 115th founding anniversary of Navas Elementary School and 5th Grand Alumni Homecoming. Let the colors shine, let the music play, and let the spirit of unity, creativity, and legacy be felt as we celebrate on the streets.
And of course, may this celebration continue to strengthen our bond, honor our shared history, and inspire future generations of Navas Elementary School. Mabuhay ang Navas Elementary School!
Yaron sa mga kamamakibin natin ng mga kababayan na
And of
Diyos sa
course, for
Navas.
the announcements, let me call on stage
Naka-live
our
broadcasting niya sa WBC Broadcasting Corporation.
Thank you very much.
Fictional GMA
friends,
Network
be reminded
Incorporated.
that our booth
Fifth
for the
Simsat
registration for the fun run
FBC
and the fun
Broadcasting
ride for
Corporation.
tomorrow, care of Sir Renzi, we have Ma'am Casas and Ma'am Alamis, right? So we have Ma'am Casas and Ma'am Alamis. Please approach them for the registration all throughout the day today. So please don't forget to register for the fun ride and fun run for tomorrow. Please look for Ma'am Casas and Ma'am Alamis. Thank you very much.
Yaron sa mga kamamakiman naton nga mga kababayan.
So enjoy the caravan and float parade, everyone. God bless us all.
Okay, so tomorrow pa man gyapon nga mag-broadcast ro part 2, May 9, 2026 sama pa man gyapon ang
Once
mga
again, let's enjoy our float
WBC
parade.
broadcast. Kasama pa man gyapon ang WBC Broadcasting Corporation ng mga news correspondents, WBC regional correspondents and reporters. Live pa man lang gyapon sa mga designated nga mga locations such yung sa Barangay Hibon, Pinaktuan at sa boundary of Antique. Nandito pa rin sila, mga prominent na mga WBC ng mga journalists.